Good morning, Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Friday, December 7th, 2018, 3:27 a.m. What I've got here is a 36-inch Dayton commercial ceiling fan. Now the difference between a commercial and an industrial fan is industrial is used for more harsh environments, factories, warehouses, etc., whereas a commercial fan is better suited for sort of lighter applications like stores and churches, etc. Not quite as powerful, not quite as heavy duty, but you're still going to get it's going to move more air and be a little more sturdy than a conventional residential ceiling fan. So basically, this is a 36-inch ceiling fan. It moves 12,500 cubic feet of air per minute. Has a thermally protected permanent split capacitor motor and a permanently lubricated ball bearings. So let's take it for a test spin. I'll start off on low. Now I have it set up to I hitched it up to a solid state control, but hence the buzzing. I'm going to slowly start turning it up to high. Now for the spin down. I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching this video. If you could please click like on it, I'd be much appreciative. And if you subscribe to my YouTube page called The Fan Cave and check out my Facebook page of the same name. Once again, my name is Mark Wilson, and I do buy, sell, trade, and collect ceiling fans, mostly vintage. But ended up getting a pretty good deal on this one that was manufactured in 2014. I do like industrial fans, so I ended up getting it. With that being said, this is for sale or trade if anybody's interested. It's brand new in the box. I just took it out of its original packaging a couple of minutes ago. Here's the original packaging. Did come with a J-hook and some various washers, but I actually installed a J-hook of my own up there. Just hung it on that. All right, thanks a lot for watching, folks. Have a great day.